Hello and welcome to Business Today TV. I am Chetan Bhutani. Well, the car with me here needs no introduction. It has been having a following of its own since the time unknown. Well, the five-door Thar, the Thar Rocks, is here with us in Kochi. We'll drive it around the city. We'll let you know how the car is, what all changes, the new grille, the new lights, and everything about the drive. And of course, answer two big questions for you. First, is this the Mahindra's family car, the Thar Rocks, or secondly, kitna deti hai the average of the vehicle? We're going to answer all of these questions for you in this report. Watch out as we begin the drive of the Mahindra Thar Rocks.
The off-road SUV is known for its strong performance but has been criticized for being impractical. The lack of rear doors and a proper seat has been a concern for buyers who wanted a vehicle that's both a capable off-roader and a practical family car. Mahindra has now addressed this issue in a big way. The Mahindra Thar has quickly become one of the most popular and recognizable vehicles in India, evolving from a concept to a national sensation in just a decade. Let's discuss how the new Thar Rocks is different from its three-door version. The most noticeable change is the addition of more doors, making it longer by 443 mm with 400 mm added between the axles. It's also slightly wider by 50 mm and taller by 68 mm. The engine options remain the same except the 1.5 litre turbo diesel in the three-door rear-wheel drive is not available. The design of the Rocks feels familiar with round LED projector headlamps, exposed door hinges, a side step, upright A-pillar, chunky wheel arches and a spare wheel on the side opening rear door, keeping the Thar brand's signature look. However, the 6-slat grille and a new C-shaped LED tail lights in rectangular casings are new features that might take some time to get used to. The roofline, especially around the B-pillar, looks a bit awkward and seems like it an afterthought. Inside the Thar Rocks, Mahindra has made a strong effort to turn it into a lifestyle vehicle. The dashboard has plenty of soft touch materials, a new touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, leather-edged seats, and a lighter, bigger steering wheel, giving the cockpit a fresh feel. The use of white upholstery is a bit controversial as it tends to get dirty quickly.
So we've been driving close to about 100 odd kilometers in Kochi, and let me tell you, the car responds really well in comparison to the three-door Thar. If you remember, the car was a bit harsh and a bit hard to drive. It was a typical, the DNA was typical off-roader, but now this has been, Mahindra has tried really hard to make this a family car. So the car is really soft. The braking is very swift. In fact, you'll be rather surprised when I talk about the steering. If you remember the previous version of the Thar, the steering was very hard and it was not as swift as you see in this segment. But when you drive this Thar, when you drive the five-door Thar, the Thar Rocks, you'll be pleasantly surprised to see how quickly and how swift and soft the steering wheel is. It really responds well in maneuvering the car in traffic while turning your car. It will respond very nicely and you'll be pleasantly surprised when you in fact move the steering around. That's one of the biggest key takeaway of the Mahindra Thar. And if I sit inside, the company Mahindra has ensured to give you that feeling of premium and plush quality interiors, be the leather silhouette, the whole white framing and the beige framing, the color coordination. The company has indeed kept in mind to maintain both the DNA of the Thar and while giving you that comfort and coziness of being in an SUV. So yeah, it's a good job done. Braking, however, is actually very sensitive, and even if you put a thumb to your to the brake, it responds very quickly, which could probably take some time to adjust. And the ADAS 2 level function that we tested actually responds pretty well. But yes, in a state of traffic, when you're driving on Indian streets and Indian roads, you will definitely feel there is some kind of disturbance or some kind of interference while you're not expecting that ADAS to kick in. So when the ADAS kicks in, you might not be very confident of when it kicks in. So that needs to be watched out. But yes, overall, the drive quality has magnificently improved. Significant improvements in the whole DNA. The company has ensured that it will keep the DNA of the Thar alive while maintaining the comfort and the luxury of an SUV.
The top trims of the Thar Rocks come with impressive convenience features, even better than some mid-size SUVs. A large panoramic sunroof makes the cabin feel more spacious, and it also comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Harman Kardon speakers, wireless charging, and electronic parking brake, cruise control, An auto-dimming rear view mirror, electric side mirrors and ventilated front seats that are also electrically adjustable. However, one downside is the lack of storage space in the cabin. There's a box under the armrest, but the glove box is small and the door pockets are tiny. Mahindra seems to have overlooked adding a useful storage space inside. Getting into the second row, however, can be tricky at first. The doors open 90 degrees, but the opening is narrow, and the small windows can make the cabin feel less open. It's a high seating SUV with several well placed grab handles to make sure the entry is easier, but the one on the B pillar is large and a bit of an eyesore. The seat cushions are soft and 3 people can sit comfortably in the second row. There's plenty of headroom and legroom, but the seat base is short, which makes it less supportive. The Thar ROXX also has a large 644-litre boot which can hold a lot of luggage, and the 60-40 split seats added flexibility. Mahindra is marketing the Thar ROXX as a family vehicle, and it does offer everything a family might need. It has features, comfort, space and a touch of sophistication. The engine feels strong and it's easy to drive. While Mahindra has only released the prices of the rear-wheel drive, the 4-wheel drive versions are expected to be priced over 21 lakh rupees. Even at this price, the Mahindra Thar ROXX is sure to impress.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.